Onyx, what you doing, puppy? Y'all are cute. That's Junior, the one who looks just like him. With short hair, though. Then you got the little speckled one over there with Mama. That's the all-white one, except for the patches by the ears and the solid tail. And that's the other one who kind of looks like Onyx. Look how cute. Curious, huh? And you running off, huh? Oh, here we go, under the couch. Moody. What you doing, mamas? Look at the beautiful daddy.